Ikani mkulikani ati abasasi baffe n'emboozi eyo ng'ate bwetambudde tugendagenda ku mu Parliament y'eggwanga lya Uganda wabadde ova wampitongo abakuba Parliament okubadde Remiyaga County mu kiiko ly'eggwanga olukulu Theodore Ssekikubo akulira oludda olwabula gavumenti mu Parliament ya kuno Joel Ssenyonyi nga bagala nate omukulumbirizi w'ekiiko ly'eggwanga olukulu Anita Among aveeyo annyonnyole Parliament n'okumalawo envuvumezi kyagenda maaso n'okubanga nate zibongeesebwa nga Parliament bwe batakyalina kyakola okuggyako okutula deal mu Parliament ya kuno wabula mu nteekateeka ezibadde zigenda maaso mukyala Anita Among abagambye nti yetajja kukolera nate ku kunyigirizibwa kyayise pressure mu Lunyaanyimbe wabula alina kukola kyateekeddwa okukola.
Sechi, I thought you would be sitting. Love.
Leero mu lutuula lwa Parliament wabaddewo akasattiro n'okubugutana ababaka bwe babadde baagala okulambikibwa okuva ewa Speaker Anita Among kubiri mu mawulire ku nkola y'emirimu ku Parliament. Akulira oludda oluvuganya gavumenti mu Parliament eri omubaka wa Nakawa West Division mu Kampala Joel Ssenyonyi yaleese ensonga eno amangu ddala Speaker n'amwambalira.
The last about 3 weeks, the people of Uganda have been raising several questions about this people-centered parliament. Questions about how we use or even misuse the people's taxpayer money. Questions to do with accountability by this house. Questions to do with recruitment, etc., etc. And the people have been raising these issues. Speaker, to date, this institution, which is a people-centered parliament, has not come out comprehensively, unequivocally, to explain itself to the people, for which we are a people-centered parliament, to account to the people of Uganda.
There's a procedural matter.
The procedural matter I'm raising is whether this parliament is right to depend on media reports, because the law was raising issues which are on media. I thought we have been operating on issues which are officially brought to this house.
We agreed as this house that we should have evidence-based debates. And that's what we are saying. Bring evidence, lay on table, and after you've laid any evidence on table, then we debate on it.
Wabaddewo okusika omuguwa ku kulemesa okwogera ku nsonga eno wakati w'omubaka wa Remiyaga Theodore Ssekikubo n'owa Kampala Central Muhammad Nsereko gattako n'omubaka omukyalo wa Tororo District Sarah Opendi.
Honorable Ssekikubo, I have not given you the mic.
Honorable, stand. Right, Honorable Speaker.
I was the first.
Yes. Right, Honorable Speaker. The procedure issue that I'm raising is whether we should not go ahead to lay the papers and then have time to discuss what we want to discuss.
Yes, that's what
so
I'm
right,
saying.
Honorable Speaker, is it not procedure right?
We cannot sit here as if nothing wrong has happened. I was amazed that in your communication you did not make a mention of the grave allegations against the institution of parliament where I belong as a member. And it is a shame to this house if we proceed when such allegations are on our head and we continue as if it is business as normal.
Speaker Among mu ddoboozi ekkangufu agambye nti talina kyayinza kuwanukula ku kyayise wolokoso.
And we are not going to run this house on rumor mongering. I just saw yesterday where they said Honorable Okini Pipi was dealing on cocaine. Okini Pipi is here. Which cocaine is the guy dealing on? Me to answer you on hearsay, on things that you have cooked on the social media, because I have said no to bum shafting. I will not. Next item.
Item 3, laying of papers, 3A.
Among Akalambidde nti ensonga babadde bakuzoogerako nga baminisita bamaliriza okuleeta ebiwandiiko by'embalirira y'omwaka gw'ebyensimbi 2024-2025 wabula era bwe bamaliriza agaddewo entuula za Parliament okumala wiiki 2.
I now adjourn the house to 28.
Bya Muhammad Wamala ne Eric Sebala mu Soroti TV Omunyi.